What's up? It's Megan. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what is a gonial angle and why is it important. I cannot sit still. Sorry, I'm too short for this. The gonial angle and also how it relates to what's called an angel skull. Gonial angle is the angle formed right here. So I'm going to show you. It's the angle formed basically where the ramus bone meets the mandible. And that angle you can measure and you can find out a degree in an angle right here. You either have one that's very, very high and it's more like a right angle, or you could have one that's lower and more sloped, so it's more like a larger angle. This affects the face is seen from the front, that you could either have a squarer face or you could have a more V-shaped face or just a long flat face. So let me talk about what the angle that is most desirable in a gonial angle for men and women. So for men, the most desirable angle of your gonial is closer to 110 degrees or 120 degrees. That's what's gonna give you a square looking face, but not like in a boxy sense because it's gonna pull the mandible out still, but it's a big size to their jaw. That happens when you have 110 degree gonial angle. Mouth breathing, the gonial angle get longer. So when we hang our mouths open throughout our whole lives and it's like, you're gonna see a collapsing of the jaw and of the gonial angle, and of course that also collapses the mandible and the maxilla. If you're a girl, it's still important to have a short gonial angle. Most women don't have them as short as men do because then they would have masculine looking faces. Women tend to have gonial angles that are between 120 to 130 degrees, and that's what creates an angel skull, and that's what creates the V-shaped jawline. Like Ariana Grande has a gonial angle that's close to 120 degrees, but she still has a V-shaped face, she still has an angel skull, and she still has a good jawline. I measured my gonial and it's like 140 degrees, which is a little bit much. But that's okay. Like, I'm not mad about it. Next thing, stop eating those magazines. Sorry, I have to yell at my rabbit. So an actress that has like a little bit of a lower gonial angle, Megan Fox, she's closer to 130, okay? And that makes, you know, your face look longer. So here's some of the ways that you can work on your gonial angle. There is a thing called mewing. Put your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Proper tongue placement, and what that does is it pulls up your mandible, pulls up your maxilla, okay? It tries to pull the face more forward and upward, okay? Thing you could do is fillers and surgery. However, I don't really recommend this at all. Fillers and things, over time, they tend to just droop in your face, so it's way better to just actually change the bone structure of your face. Spending hundreds of dollars on something that in a few years, it might not even stay in the place that they inject it. I've seen a lot of photos of fillers that just kind of like, they end up falling in the face. They make the face look super bloated and stuff because once you put them in, there's no guarantee that it's gonna stay in that area that you put it in. The best method, subliminal messaging. You really have to just look for yourself, okay? I'm not gonna spend like a 7-year time trying to convince people that subliminals work. Most angel skull subliminals are gonna have a gonial angle for females around 120 to 130. However, if they have anything higher than 120, don't listen to them because that's gonna give you a boxy square face. Or anything lower than 130, it's gonna give you like an elongated face. All right, so that's my 2 cents on the gonial angle, and that's what it be. I almost forgot the most important part of this video is how to measure your gonial angle. All right, so you're gonna want a protractor, or you can download this app, it's called PixArt, and it has a photo sticker of a protractor. And what you could do is you could just take a picture of your side profile and then line up the protractor with the gonial angle area, and you can figure it out that way. So I hope this cleared up what an angel skull is, what a gonial angle is, and everything like that. And of course, you guys can ask me further questions in the comments below, request videos that you guys want, or DM me on Instagram. It's at MeganXRose, and I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. I love all you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful beginning to your summer and everything like that. All right, I will talk to you guys so soon, and bye-bye now.